Are there any new developments in artificial intelligence and machine learning? In today's video, we will explore the groundbreaking advancements that have been made in these fields. Artificial intelligence, or AI, continues to push the boundaries of what machines can do. One exciting development is deep learning. This is a type of machine learning inspired by the human brain. It allows computers to analyze vast amounts of data and make intelligent decisions. Deep learning has revolutionized industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation. It enables more accurate medical diagnoses, predicts stock market trends, and powers self-driving cars. Another major advancement is natural language processing. This technology allows computers to understand and respond to human language. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa use natural language processing to answer questions and perform tasks. This capability has also transformed customer service, with chatbots providing instant support and answers to customers' queries. As a result, businesses can deliver faster and more efficient customer experiences. Reinforcement learning is also making waves in the field of AI. This approach involves training machines to make decisions based on trial and error. Through constant interaction with their environment, these systems learn to maximize rewards and minimize mistakes. Reinforcement learning has shown tremendous potential in areas like robotics and game playing. It allows robots to learn complex tasks and enables AI to defeat top human players in games like chess and Go. Machine learning, a subset of AI, is also advancing at rapid pace. One of the latest trends is transfer learning. This technique enables models to leverage knowledge gained from one task to perform better in other related tasks. For example, a model trained on recognizing cats can transfer its learning to identify dogs more accurately. Transfer learning speeds up the training process and improves overall performance. In conclusion, artificial intelligence and machine learning are constantly evolving, pushing the limits of what machines can achieve. From deep learning to natural language processing, and from reinforcement learning to transfer learning, these advancements are transforming industries and improving our lives. Stay tuned for more exciting developments on this channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.